Exclamation mark. In this module, you learn about exclamation mark and also when to use an exclamation mark. Why do we use an exclamation mark? Well, the exclamation mark is used when there's an eager surprise or an excited outburst like, "Hooray! We are finally here!" And if you're excited about seeing a beautiful place, you can write it as, "This is a very exciting place." If a sentence is yelled out, shouted or screamed, it'll end with an exclamation mark. Yippee! It's a holiday tomorrow! Let's have a look at this conversation between Mary and his teacher as an example. You'll see that an exclamation mark is used after an exclamatory word, phrase, or sentence. Mary shouted, "Hooray! I did it!" Mary, you were very excited. Why all the exclamation? "I scored 100 marks in my English. It's the first time in my life." Well, you just used 2 more exclamation marks. Another way you use the exclamation mark is when you're frustrated or angry. "This journey is taking so long. It's been 4 hours since we left the airport." The exclamation mark is also used for giving a command. "Sit down." When an exclamation mark is used, a full stop is not required, as the exclamation mark replaces the full stop. Remember, it's not a good idea to have many exclamation marks in a row of sentences, as they lose their effect. Let's summarize. Exclamation marks are used for indicating strong emotions like anger, frustration, surprise, happiness, etc. Exclamation marks can also be used for commands like stop, sit down. An exclamation mark replaces the full stop when it's used. In this module, we have learned about the exclamation mark and its usage.